Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Huda Beauty. Today I'm going to be creating a beautiful, cool tone, cutesy pink makeup look. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'm going to be using this NYX Plump Black Primer to prep my skin with. Just going to hydrate my skin with this. It is a primer and a serum both in this product, so that's actually so hydrating for the skin. Next, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. brow lift. So I'm just taking some with my spoolie and I'm just going to set my brows with this brow gel. Next, for the foundation, I'm going to be using this Daily Dewy Kiro foundation. I'm just going to put this on my face a little bit. Just like that. I'm not going to put a lot of foundation, just very low. I'm just going to blend this into my skin, just like that. Next, I'm going to be using this hydrating camo concealer, and I'm just going to use this under my eyes, just like that, on my forehead a little bit. I was going to use it here on my mouth area. I'm just going to blend everything seamlessly into my skin. And I'm just going to blend the concealer. Next, for the powder, I'm going to be using this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. So I'm just going to dip my puff into this, and I'm just going to set my under eyes with this powder. Because this powder is super blurring. It blurs so well, as you can see. I'm just going to blur my one side of my face so you can see the difference. As you can see, this side and this side, it looks so beautiful and blurred. This side is, and so smooth it's looking. Love it. Guys, this is a highly recommended product. And next, I'm going to be using this Sugar Contour Deforce Bronzer. I'm just taking my bronzer brush and I'm just going to bronze up my face with this. This is my favorite powder bronzer. It just really is so good. So now I'm just going to fill my brows with this brow powder. It's from e.l.f. Day Cream and Sugar eyeshadow powder. I'm just using the dark brown from that palette. Okay, so now I'm going to be using this Fruits eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty, and so I'm going to be taking the shade called Radiate from this palette, and I'm just going to use this and put it all over my crease. I'm also going to take the same shade and put it on my lower lash line, just like this. I'm just going to take the shade called Serenity, and I'm just going to put this on my outer corners of my eyes, just like this. This is a very beautiful, cool toned, mauve toned color, so perfect for today's look. And I'm also taking the same shade on the outer corners of my lower lash line. Just like that. Also gonna put it on the other eyes, just like so. Okay, so next I'm gonna be taking the shade called Precious right here. And I'm just going to put this very little on my outer corners. Just like that. This, I'm actually going to take a more smaller brush to do this. Just taking the shade and putting it close to my lash line, just like that. It's a beautiful cool toned, although it has hints of plum in it too. I'm just going to do the same on my other eyes. I'm also going to take the same shade and put it on my lower lash line for a smoky kind of a look. Just like that. As you can see, it started looking more smoky on the outer corners. Okay, so now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be accentuating my under eye bags a bit more for that cutesy look. So for that, from the e.l.f. Cream and Sugar palette, I'm going to be taking the darker shade. I'm just going to place this right there into my bottom eyes like so, and it looks so beautiful. I just love doing this. I'm just going to do that. And look at that, it gives more like the cutesy look. Now I'm going to take the skin shade from that palette and I'm just going to put it right here, just to make it more like lighter at this area. So it looks more like poofy, so yeah, just like that. Now I'm going to be taking this darker shade, it's called Mantra, and I'm going to be using this to create a wing. Like so. Just like that, I'm using this shade to create the wing. I'm also going to take the darker shade and put it on my outer corners. On my lower lash line, just like this, for that smoky look. Next, I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. No Budge Cream eyeshadow. I'm just going to make an eyeliner with this right underneath the black one that we created. So I'm just going to I'm just going to take some more and put it right here, right like that. It just looks so much better and so pretty just like that. Put it on right here. I'm also going to do the same on my other eyes. And just like that, look at the liner. It looks so beautiful. It's like a graphic liner look. I wanted to do this for so long. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking this lighter shade called Cherished, and I'm going to be using this to put it on my inner corners a little bit, just to like brighten things up right here. Next, for the glitter, I'm going to be using this Rom&nd Light and Glitter Garden eyeshadow palette, and from this, I'm going to be taking this beautiful pink colored glitter. So I'm just going to put this right on the center. And I'm also taking it a little bit on my brows like so, just for that scattered glitter look. I'm also just going to do the same on my other eyes. Just like so. And taking it towards my brows, just like that. And I'm also going to take the same, the darker shade Mantra, and I'm just going to extend my inner corners with this. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Now I'm going to be curling my lashes with this e.l.f. Big Moon Mascara. And I'm just going to take it and just putting it on my lashes. This mascara is my favorite. It gives such a beautiful volume and length at the same time. As for the blush, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette. From this, I'm going to be using this Happiness shade. Now for the highlighter, I'm going to be using this K Beauty highlighter in the shade Frosted Ice. I'm putting it right on my nose, just like so. Oh, that looks so beautiful. I'm also going to put it right here on my brow bridge, just like that. I'm also going to take some and put it right on my cheeks. I love blushes, I love highlighter, and this highlighter especially doesn't have a lot of chunky particles. That looks so beautiful on my chin. I'm also gonna put it right on my brow bone, just like that. Okay, so now for the lips, I'm gonna be using this Rom&nd K Beauty lip pencil. So I'm just gonna take this and line this with this lip pencil. Now for the lip color, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. lip plumping gloss in the shade Sparkling Rose. So let's just use this. It's a beautiful cool toned color. Now in the last, I'm going to be using this dewy coconut setting spray from e.l.f. and we're just going to spray it all over the face. So yeah, this is the final look, guys. As you can see, it looks so beautiful, so beautiful. I did some graphic liner, and yeah. So yeah, I hope that you liked today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing my channel. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.